No, come here. You want to say hi? You're starting to look just like me. You looking like mommy. Say cheese. Say cheese. Cheese. You love me? Oh my goodness. Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today's the day. My hair is straight, which I already... my hair is straight, which I already should have a video up showing me straightening it. I did go to Miami and I was like, you know what, before I actually cut it off, why not just for the last time enjoy my long hair, straighten it? And so I did, and I definitely enjoyed it. Y'all know, being natural, we don't, well, at least me, I don't straighten my hair a lot, so yeah. But it's time. I don't know how I feel. I'm like excited, but a little bit nervous, just a little bit. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna do this whole thing. I'm kind of thinking like start right here and work my way up, or should I don't know if I want to leave some of the blonde. I don't know if I just want it all off. I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. I tried to watch some videos and I'm just gonna wing it. So for the last couple of months, I've been telling you guys, like, I plan to cut my hair. I just don't know when. So I'll link those videos down below. I know some of you are probably like, why is she cutting it? You know, blah, blah, blah. I've went into detail on how I've damaged my hair. So I'm not going to get into all that again because I've already talked about it. Just check the videos down below if you've missed it. But if you have been watching the hair update videos, then this should not come to you as like a shocker. Maybe just a little bit, because I haven't told you guys exactly when I was going to do it. But y'all should know it's coming, or it's been coming. So yeah, I'm about to go in the bathroom, get my scissors, and start chopping. I'm about to start chopping my freaking hair off, and then I'll wash, I'll shampoo it, condition it, see what it's looking like curly, so I can really get, obviously I wear my hair natural and curly, so I want to see how it looks like that, and then I'll tweak it, do whatever I need to do, and I'll show you guys the final look. So if y'all want to see my big chop, stay tuned. I need you to listen. I did it. Wow. All right. I can't believe I'm really cutting my hair. Y'all, close up. Oh my god, this is cute. I don't even want to go I don't even want to go shorter. This is cute.